My name is Daniel. I'm here at Howards Flea Market, and I sell recycled tire bird planters and feeders and I love this place. And you know, I got all kinds of birds, flamingos, swans, and chickens, and toucans, and parrots. So come on down and check it out. But you can move all that stuff around in the computer, right? Okay.
Partners Lockout, located on 36 on the main aisle. The Lockout Specialist. Auto, home, business lockout, repeating, keys made, new entry, and deadbolt installation.
And go to the office and they'll tell you where I'm located at.
Howard's now.